Hey there, welcome back to another exciting review video on our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the innovative self-powered waterproof wireless doorbell. This doorbell doesn't require any batteries, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for your home. With a 150mm remote receiver, you can be sure to never miss another visitor at your door, whether you're in the garden or upstairs. The waterproof design ensures that this doorbell can withstand the elements, making it perfect for outdoor use as well. The 433 MHz technology ensures a strong, reliable signal, while the kinetic ring chime delivers a pleasant inaudible alert for your convenience. But that's not all. This doorbell also comes with a variety of ringtone options, allowing you to customize the sound to your preference. Plus, the easy installation means you can have this doorbell up and running in no time. So why wait? Upgrade your home with the self-powered waterproof wireless doorbell today and enjoy the convenience and peace of mind it brings. Simply click the link in the description to get yours now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.